TJ McCormick here from Sauve Construction. I'm here with Dwayne Bottringer from DB Roofing and also our Conklin rep. We're out here today looking at a very large commercial flat roof. We're looking at the hail damage that we're finding inside the parapet wall on this third level. Dwayne, tell us what you see here.
Well, we've got hail hits here. You can see it actually punctured the membrane. We've got little holes. There's just a slit in the membrane because there's a plate back there. So this roof definitely got hailed out, and we're just finding a lot of hail damage on this roof.
So right now we're just doing repairs, but we're also out here looking for the insurance company to make sure before we file a claim. Very cost effective to do this repair first before we do a replacement. Anything else that you would do besides this repair until we're ready to go with the insurance?
Well, basically, we're sealing up all the holes that we're finding. Any of the hail damage that actually punctured, we're sealing it to get it watertight so it doesn't leak. So we have time to get the insurance claim to go through and get them a brand new roof.
Awesome. This one's going to be an expensive roofing system, but at least this grocery store won't leak anymore.
That's right.